Today, we're setting off on an exciting journey to Ikoyi Osun State, where a village eagerly awaits our reliable, clean energy solution to achieve net zero emission. Our commitment goes beyond just providing power. We aim to transform lives and foster sustainable development. The community is ready to embrace a future powered by sustainable living. This village represents the heart of our efforts, a place where the promise of renewable energy becomes a reality. Our dedicated team springs into action, installing solar system designed to provide consistent power for businesses. Each panel we set up is a step towards a more sustainable future. We engage with local residents, providing training and support to ensure they can make the most of their new energy systems.
Orúkọ mi ni Orúládé Abídèmí. Inú mi dùn láti gba iléeṣẹ́ PAM lálejò. Ó dẹ̀ help business mi gan. Because kó tó di pé wọ́n gbé wá, iná ń dà wá láàmú gan. But àtìgbà tí wọ́n ti gbé wá, ìrọ̀rùn ti dé.
Through our efforts, businesses in Ikoyi Osun State can now operate efficiently day and night without the worry of power outages. With over 50 solar systems installed across the village, each one a beacon of reliability and sustainability. This transformation is not just about energy, it's about driving economic growth, enhancing livelihood and paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future.
Community media office. First one be pẹ̀lú àgbẹ̀tẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ à ń lo like fuel wọ́n láti ní màá ṣe kó tó kẹ́tọ́ yí fuel gan ní ọ̀dọ̀ wọn níbà ètí ẹ̀rí ó tó time ti epo wọ̀nyẹn lẹ́pẹ́ àjíyá epo gan bọ̀ eléyìí jẹ́ pé everything wà cool fún wa kò sí wàhálà kankan àfihàn dára láàmú even kọ́mú lọ nísìn kò sí pé bí a máa ṣe wọn gbé yẹn tọ́ bó ta àbáyé owó yẹn ilé tó ń sàbọ̀ dáadáa wà okay.
Together, we are illuminating the path to a brighter, cleaner tomorrow, one village at a time. For more information on PAM Africa's NZV, visit our website on www.pamafrica.com.